Dear students, today we are going to see second standard maths term 1 unit 1 geometry. In this lesson you will be learning about 3D shapes. Red carpet welcomes you. See this picture, there is one red carpet. In this red carpet some shapes are there. See square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Count these shapes in the carpet and write their numbers. See how many purple color squares are there in this carpet? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write the number 4. Next, blue color rectangle. How many blue color rectangles are there in this carpet? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write the number 3. Next, yellow color triangle. If you are counting this yellow color triangle, you will get the number of 14. Next, green color circle. If you are counting this green color circle means you will get the number of 30. See square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are 2D shapes. Next, shape towers. Pile up the given objects and observe the change in their shapes. They given some objects here. We have to pile up. Pile up means we have to place one on top of the other. Then we get a shape. See first one, it's a square sheet of a paper. If you are placing one on top of the other means you will get the shape cube. Next, coins. Coins if you are placing like this, if you are getting cylinder shape. And this rectangle sheet of paper, if you are placing one on top of the other means you will get a cuboid shape. Next, introduction to three-dimensional or 3D shapes. This is the keywords of this lesson: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. These are the 3D shapes. Next, travel through king's palace. Animals build a palace for their king, the lion. Each of them brought an item for the palace. Observe the items brought by them. See, animals brought some objects to build the palace for the king lion. Let's see who brought what and match the items brought by the animals as seen in the above picture. See first one, rabbit. What the rabbit brought? It's a brick. So you have to match the brick. Next, bear. Bear have got one cube box. Next, zebra. Zebra brought a bucket full of water. See, so you have to match the bucket. Next, horse. Horse brought a stone. So you have to match the stone. Next, giraffe. Giraffe brought a conical shape of an object. So you have to bought this. Next, cub. Cub bought a cement packet. So you have to match the cement packet. Next, elephant. Elephant bought a wood piece. So you have to match the wood. Next, this animal bought a stick. So you have to match the stick. Next, now we are going to see 3D shapes. First one, cube. See, this is the picture of a cube. Cube is a three-dimensional shape or 3D shape, means having length, width and breadth. It looks like a square. See, this is a square. Square is a 2D shape having length and width. Square we can draw, we can see, but we can't hold in our hands. But cube we can hold in our hands because it's a solid shape, it's a 3D shapes. See, square all sides are equal, same like square, cubes all sides are equal. See, the following objects are in the shape of cube. This stone and this gift box, puzzle keys, dice, all are in the shape of a cube. This is the examples of cube. Next, cuboid. See, cuboid is a 3D shape. See, it looks like a rectangle. So, this is same like a cube. Cube all sides are equal, but cuboid opposite sides are equal. See the four cuboid. See this box, file, book, suitcase, all are in the shape of a cuboid. See next practice. Identify the cube and cuboid shaped objects and write A for cube and B for cuboid inside the box given below. See gift box, it looks like a cube. So you have to write A for cube. So you have to write A. Next, this also it's a cube. So you have to write A. See this book, it's a cuboid shape. So you have to write B. This box, it's a cuboid shape. So you have to write B. Next, color the cube shape red and cuboid shape green. See, first one, it's a rectangle. Next, it's a cube. So you have to draw red color. Next, square. And this is rectangle. Means cuboid. You have to draw green color. So this is rectangle, cube, square, and this cuboid. So this one is you have to draw red color. This one is you have to draw green color. Next shape is cylinder. See, cylinder is a 3-dimensional shape. This is the picture of a cylinder. Cylinder is round shape and top and bottom in the shape of a circle. See, this wood, gas cylinder and this bottle, drum, these objects are in the shape of a cylinder. Next, cone. This is the picture of a cone. It's a curved shaped object and bottom is a circle shape. The following objects are in the shape of a cone. See, cone, funnel, butt and tap. These are the examples of cone. Next, sphere. See, this is the picture of a sphere. Sphere, it's a 3D shape. It is round in shape. Circle, this is a circle. Circle we can't hold in our hands, but sphere we can hold in our hand because this is a solid shape. See, this stone, gooseberry, tomato, lemon, all these objects are in the shape of a sphere. See this practice. Identify the cylinder, cone and sphere shaped objects and write 1 for cylinder, 2 for cone and 3 for sphere. See, this is a sphere shaped object. So you have to write 1 for cylinder, 2 for cone and 3 for sphere. So you have to write here 3. Next, it's a cone shaped object. So you have to write here 2. Next, sphere shaped object. So you have to write 3. Next, it's a cylinder shaped object. You have to write 1. Next, cone shaped object. So you have to write 2. And this stick is, it's a cylinder shaped object. So you have to write 3. Next, try this. Match the objects with their shapes and names of the shapes. One is done for. You have to match the objects and names. First one, wood. It's a cylinder shaped objects. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Next, this one it's a cone shaped object. So you have to match it cone and C-O-N-E, cone. Next, this one is cube shaped object. So you have to write cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Next, see, it's a cuboid shaped object. So you have to match it cuboid. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Next, it's a sphere shaped object. So you have to match it sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. See, next practice. The names of the objects are given in the boxes. Observe the shapes of given objects. Write them in the empty squares matching each object. Sphere, cone, cube, cylinder, cuboid. See this dice. See, dice is a cube shaped object. So you have to write here C-U-B-E, cube. Next, this top, it's a cone shaped object. C-O-N-E, cone. Next, see, it's a bead. Bead is a sphere shaped object. So you have to write here S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Next, book. Book is a cuboid shaped object. So you have to write here C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. This flute is a cylinder shaped object. So you have to write here F-L-U-T-E, flute. Next, help your toy friends to reach their houses. See, these are the toy friends. They have to go their home. So you have to help. First one, square. Cube. So you have to help to reach the square house. See, he have to reach here. So the way you have, the way he is going there, the cube is there. The see, cube, and this is the cube. So cube. So cube. He reached their house. Next, cylinder. See, cylinder. She have to go here. Cylinder. See, this is the cylinder. So she reached their house. Next, sphere. See, the ball. See here, tomato. See, sphere. Next, cone. Friend, he have to go here, carrot, cone. See, and top. See, ice cream. See, he reached their home. Next, cuboid. See this box. Book is a cuboid. See, cuboid. So he reached their house. Next, try this. Draw the outline of the objects using pencil. Remove the objects and write the names of the shapes formed. See, 3D shaped objects, traced figure, name of the 2D shape. See, first object, eraser. If you draw the outline of this object, you will get the shape of rectangle. So the name of the 2D shape is rectangle. Next, dice. If you draw the outline of this dice, you will get the shape of square. So the name is square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next, coin. If you draw the outline of this coin, you will get the shape of circle. The name of the 2D shape is circle. That's all in this class. Thank you.